So, ayan mga kapatid, so welcome sa ating health awareness. Okay, wellness and nutrition. Bakit ka ba wellness? If you're talking about wellness, it's a quality of life. Okay, nutrition. Related sa health mga kapatid, we're talking about the proper diet, the proper nourishing of our body. Pag sinabi mo namang health or being healthy, you are free from any diseases. All right. So welcome mga kapatid. At I'm always thankful that every time you attended this kind of presentation, no, ibig sabihin, mahal nyo yung sarili nyo. Okay? Kasi if you love yourself, you can love your family and you can love others as well. Bakit nandito ka today sa ating presentation? Because naniniwala ka na yung health mo ang pinakamahalagang wealth mo. Alright? Always remember that. Okay. Kumbaga, ang pagiging healthy is already a success that many people forget to celebrate. Marami ang hindi nabibigyan ng pansin niya, hindi nabibigyan ng halaga. Kaya nga sabi ng mga health experts, do not let illness make you realize the value of health. Bakit nga ba marami sa kakilala natin ang hanggat hindi nagkakasakit, hanggat hindi na o-hospital, cancer, dinadialysis, saka pa lang sasabihin, dapat noon pa. Okay? Lalo na ngayon mga kapatid, kung makikita nyo, especially in the internet, kayo na mismo ang mag-research, yung statistics ng WHO, na ang mga tao, especially 1 out of 3 women and 1 out of 4 men is suffering with chronic condition. In every household, in every home, today mga kapatid, ay mayroong isa o dalawa o tatlo na mayroong chronic condition. We are talking about hypertension, cholesterol, arthritis, ischemic or coronary heart disease, diabetes, chronic kidney disease, heart failure, depression, Alzheimer's disease or dementia, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Kahit alin sa 10 ito, ayaw nating maranasan. But the given time, because of the lifestyle, because of yung mga panahon ng pagkakamali natin, nagkaroon yung pamilya mo. Di ba? Ayaw nating magkasakit. Ayaw natin ng may nararamdaman. But what I'm telling is, one of the reasons why you are here, because you love yourself, you love your body. Okay? At nakasipalit pa dyan mga yung kaso ng mga cancers, which is 18.1 million yan on the first quarter of 2023. Yan yung pinapakita kong datos ay first quarter of 2023 pa lang yan mga kapatid. Alright? Kumbaga, hindi na, if you're going to analyze everything, yung halos wala na ngayong healthy. Almost no one is healthy today. Except the babies. Except the babies. But from the moment you eat unhealthy foods, from the moment you eat unhealthy drinks, that's how you get this. Alright? So, ngayon, marami namang paraan. Marami namang paraan kung paano maging healthy. Okay? And let's talk about daily habits to stay healthy with modern lifestyle. Number 1, siyempre, kailangan mong hydrated. Lalo na sa mga maiinit na countries. Not only during the summer and winter, you need to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Always remember that. Para hindi lumapot yung dugo mo. Kailangan ng sistema lang because it liberates every single tissues and cells and organs in your body. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng enough sleep. Kailangan ng katawan mo makarecover. Alright? Kasi yung repair time ng ating katawan, 10 p.m. to 4 a.m., kailangan yan. Kailangan mo ng counting workouts. Kahit paano, dapat pinapawisan ka. Remember that your skin is the third kidney of your body, detoxification. Ito pa, distinguish between hunger and cravings. Kailangan makontrol mo rin yung pagkain mo ng matatamis, ng maaalat. Ay tayo mga Pilipino, likas na pinagsasama natin yung carbohydrates, ang kanin, ang ulam, pansit. Di ba yung ganon? Busog na, gusto pang kumain. Yung iba naman, gutom na, ayaw pang kumain. Alright? So, it's a proper diet mga kapatid. We need to learn also yung tinatawag natin ng offline mode, lalo na ngayon mga kapatid, sa lakas ng epekto ng radiation, dapat laging isa-isip that we are living in the modern world where the technology, the scientific gadgets are really affecting our human system. Alright, imagine yourself how much time do you spend on your cell phone every day. Alright, at ito lang mga major cause of our health conditions. Okay? Yung mga sinasabi ko. At ito naman yung iba't ibang paraan kung paano ka maging healthy. At yung last, actually napakarami. If you're going to Google how to be healthy, it gives you million reasons. Okay? At yung pang-anim, okay, para maging healthy tayo, ay mag-take ng Is This a 30? Sabi ng iba, ano yun? At yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. Is This a 30? Kasi bakit? The best gift to yourself is a healthy you. That's why loving yourself, you need to be healthy. Because if you are healthy, you have a limited opportunities. Hindi ka natatakot na losing your job because you can apply anytime, anywhere. Imagine, kung may nararamdaman ka, mahihirapan ka mag-apply sa trabaho. Alright? If you are healthy, lagi kang merong positive hormones. Kapag healthy ka, lagi kang may positive mindset. Kapag healthy ka, meron kang healthy cells. Kapag meron kang healthy cells, meron kang healthy life. Yan yung tinatawag natin na wellness, the quality of life. At kapag meron kanyang lahat, we call it Super Life. Welcome to Super Life, mga kapatid. Alright? So ano nga ba ang super life? Bakit nga ba super? Alright? Dahil we are living as the superior creation of God. Balikan natin na bakit nga ba super? Imagine, balikan natin ha, God created humans perfectly in order. Kaya nga tayo ay super creation. Tayong superior creation of God. Pag sinabi mong perfectly created by God in order, walang bahid, walang dungis nung tayo kinreate. Wala. Perfect. But, what happened? Lumipas ang panahon. Lumipas ang generations. Lumipas ang million years. Iba't ibang panahon. Anong nangyari? Nagkaroon ng disorders yung katawan natin. That, imagine perfectly created in order by God. Lumipas ang mga panahon, nagkaroon ng disorders. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon ng problema. Kaya nga pinakita ko kanina, halos every single person on earth today has condition, health challenges. Okay? Ang tanong, ano ang naging dahilan ng mga disorders na yan na nangyari sa ating katawan? Okay? Number 1, pagkain. Okay, remember what we eat is what we are. So alam na natin yan. We keep eating unhealthy foods lalo na nowadays. So it damages the human system, especially yung mga kinakain natin na punong-puno ng mga preservatives, 'di ba? Enhancers, emulsifiers, napakarami junk foods. Alright, what else that damages the human system? The environment. We're talking about the pollution, the chemicals. Alright? Another one, radiation from the scientific gadget, UV radiation. What else? Radiation from microwave, marami mga machines, sewing machine, x-ray, maraming klase. Alright? What else? The lifestyle. Baka naman hindi ka na rin natutulog. Kulang ka na sa tulog. Hindi ka na rin umiinom ng tubig. O baka lagi ka namang nasa bar or nightclubs. What else? Stress. Isa sa pinakamatinding kalaban natin mga kapatid today, ang stress. Lalo na sa mga breadwinner of the family. Imagine that. You're always thinking every single minute of your life have to provide everything to your family. Lalo na mga OFW. Too much stress yan, my friend. Ang tagal na sa abroad, walang naiipon, nagkakasakit na, gusto nang umuwi, hindi kaya kasi walang ipon. Alright? What else? Poor diet. Wala na kung ano na lang ang available na pwede mong kainin. Sige, kada, tama. So, then later on, dahil nga may sakit. What else? Vices. We're talking about smoking, drinking, bathing, nightclubs. Right? So ito yung ilan lamang mga kapatid sa mga naging dahilan ng disorders sa ating katawan. Alright? Kaya nga, nung unti-unting nagkaroon ng problema ang katawan ng tao, siyempre, marami namang mga matatalino at mga health experts na nag-aaral, okay, nagre-research kung ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng makatulong sa katawan natin. Noong 1990s, okay, na-discover nila na ang pwedeng makatulong uli para mag-gain back yung proper nutrition, yung lakas at haba ng buhay ng mga tao, yung mga antioxidants. Ito yung mga pagkain na-discover nila na pwede palang makatulong para lumakas yung ating katawan muli. Pero kung mapapansin mga kapatid ito, most of them are berries and expensive fruits or expensive foods. Naging in demand ito in the market. Dahil naging in demand, nagmahal. So hindi kayang i-afford ng lahat. Okay, ito yung time na na-discovered ang mga pagkain ito na pwede makatulong sa katawan natin. Kaya naging in demand, naging mahal. So ano nangyari? Dahil hindi ma-afford ng mga tao, so ng 20th century, ginawa nilang food supplements. So ginawang capsule, ginawang tablets, ginawang gel. The era of the food supplements. Kasi bakit? Hindi ma-afford eh. Sino ba makakakain ng berry araw-araw? Only the rich or wealthy Philippine or the wealthy people. So ginawang gel, ginawang tablet. The era of the food supplement until now. Okay, napatunayan din ito na nakatulong din naman to boost, to provide, to supply the missing nutrient in our body. Alright? Ang nangyayari pa nga ngayon ginagamit pa rin natin yan. Pinagsasabay na natin yung pagkain ng mga healthy at mga food supplements. Kasi bakit? Marami ng kulang or marami ng deficiencies sa ating katawan. Gusto nating gumaling, gusto nating lumakas. Pero hindi pa rin naging enough. Hindi pa rin naging enough yan. Bakit? Kasi foods alone are not enough. Yung kinakain natin to, di mga kapatid, alam nyo ba na not enough to give us the full nutrition that we needed on a daily basis para hindi tayo magkasakit? Kasi the logic is simple. We get sick because of the deficiencies in our body of the nutrition. At magpapakita ko sa inyo ng 3 mahalagang nutrition na kailangan ng katawan natin on a daily basis. At para mapatunayan natin na ang foods alone are not enough, okay, to give the full nutrition on a daily basis. Sample! Kailangan natin ng potassium araw-araw. Yan yung nagbibigay ng energy sa atin. Okay? At ang sabi sa mga pag-aaral, ito yung latest, kahit i-google nyo po ito, on a daily needed potassium, that is like 4,700 milligram of potassium. Yan ang kailangan ng katawan natin on a daily basis. If you are going to take banana as the main source of your potassium, ang isang medium banana po ay 420 milligram. So it takes 11 bananas per day for you to complete your 4,700 milligram of potassium. Kaya? Baka nga isa, dalawa, hirap ka na. Potassium pa lang yan. If you are talking about protein, ang mga kalalakihan, kailangan namin ng 56 grams of protein every day. Ang mga kababaihan, kailangan nyo lamang po ng 46 grams per day. Now, taking about from the eggs, it takes 9 eggs to 11 eggs per day. Kaya? Mahirap. Tama. Another important nutrient na kailangan ng katawan natin, vitamin C. Kailangan talaga ng system natin yan. Sa 1,000 milligram per day na kailangan natin, ayon sa mga pag-aaral, it's 2 kg of oranges per day. Kaya, mahirap yan. Kaya mapapansin mga kapatid, yung mga pinakita kong nutrition na kailangan ng katawan natin is almost impossible to do on a daily basis. Tama. So, kaya nga, nasa isip, tandaan na meron ng deficiencies every day. Given na yan mga kapatid. Ang good news, super life. Okay? Giving hope to everyone. They came up with an amazing idea to manufacture and produce an amazing product na ang pangalan ay STC30 Super Life Total Care in 30 Days. Ito pong product na to ay ginagawa in manufacture sa sarili nating fasilidad in Malaysia na nag-start noong 2017 sa pangunguna ng CEO Lighty Kian and Paul Nair, CFO ng company. They had that advocacy sharing this amazing product to every single person in the universe to bring back their health and get that longevity. Pero, hindi Super Life ang nagpo-formulate ng major ingredients. In partnership with an amazing Bebel Group Biochemistry of Switzerland, alright, sila ang nag-contribute, nag-formulate, nag-discovered, nag-research na mga patented ingredients, okay, na naging sanhi Okay, para makapag-produce ng STC-30. Way back 2003 nang na-discovered yung mga ingredients na ilan sa mga sangkap ng STC-30 natin. Sa pangunguna ng biochemist na si Dr. Fred Sully, okay, nagawa at na-imbento ang STC-30, especially the first formulation happened in 2003. 20 years ago. Alright? And what is STC-30 now? It is a plant-based stem cell. Stem cell, mga kapatid. Pag sinabi mong stem cell, it's beyond the current formulation of any food supplements. It is in the cellular level already. Ang sikreto ng pagpapabata, pampahaba ng buhay, at pagkakaroon ng optimal health being. Okay, yan po ang ibig sabihin ng stem cell. Alright? Stem cell product. Para mas malalim mong maintindihan, let's go deeper. What is actually stem cell? Ayon sa mga pag-aaral, okay? Short clip that will give you an idea kung ano nga ba ang trabaho ng stem cell sa katawan natin. Ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng stem cells na yan sa katawan natin? Kasi ang stem cells, nasa katawan na natin. We have our own stem cells that repairs, restore, alright, the challenges in our body. This short clip will explain to you how the stem cell works inside our body.
Whenever there is an injury or a challenge to an organ or tissue, a whole process of renewal takes place in the body to help restore optimal health. Soon after the injury, the affected tissue releases specific compounds that travel through the blood to the bone marrow. When the compounds released by the injured tissue reach the bone marrow, these messengers tell the stem cells in the bone marrow to divide and create new stem cells, which are then released from the bone marrow into the bloodstream. Slowly, the number of stem cells increases in the blood circulation. At the same time, the affected tissue releases another compound called stromal-derived factor 1, or SDF1, that attracts stem cells. As stem cells circulate in the fine blood vessels of the affected tissue and sense the presence of this compound, they stop in the blood flow and migrate into the tissue. Inside the tissue, stem cells slowly migrate to the very site of injury where SDF1 is being secreted. When they reach the site of the injury and come into contact with the damaged tissue, stem cells begin to multiply and then slowly transform into cells of that tissue. Through this process of amplification, one stem cell can become thousands of tissue cells.
Okay, yan mga kapatid, ang ibig sabihin ng stem cell. Nasa katawan mo na, stem cells are special cells. The repair kit of our body. The doctor of our body. That is what they call stem cells. Okay? Para mas maintindihan, tandaan that our body is composed of cells. Okay, diba? Ikaw yan. Anong composition ng katawan mo? Yung human system, you have the organs, ang gawaang organs, sa tissues, ang gawaang tissues, sa cells. Kaya nga yung 37 trillion cells na yan na nananalaytay o composition ng ating body that is actually divided into 220 different cell types from head to toe. Alright, kaya nga every single part of our body is a cell, the basic unit of our body. Yung stem cell, siya naman ang nagre-repair ng lahat ng yun, the multifunction, the multi-power of the stem cell has the power to repair, to restore, to support every damaged cells in our body. That is stem cell. The thing is, habang umiidad tayo mga kapatid, bumababa ang production o yung power niyan. If you're going to compare it during our childhood days, when we were kids, that is 100%. But as we grow old, especially ayon sa mga pag-aaral, pagtungtong mo daw ng 25 years old, yun yung nasa Google na nabasa ko nung couple of weeks. Ang sabi doon, pag tungtong mo na ng 25 years old, yung pag-decrease ng stem cell ng katawan is grabe na, ang lakas. Kaya kapag tungtong mo ng 50 or 60 years old, you just have 5% power to defend, okay? To restore, to recover. Parang ganito mga kapatid ha. Halimbawa, nagkasakit ka. Today, tinangkaso ka. Sumakit ang ulo mo. May cough. Kasi nagkasakit ka. Sabi ng isip mo, ayaw ko magkasakit. Gusto ko nang gumaling. Ang hirap na nararamdaman ko. Yan ang nasa isip mo. Dinidikta ng isip mo na gusto kong gumaling. The problem, yung katawan mo hindi agad makarecover. Ayaw niyang gumaling. Wala siyang power to recover that as fast as you want. Kasi nga yung recovery system mo, the doctor of your body, mahina na. Mahina na yung recovery because of the stem cell reproduction na meron ka. Alright? And that is given. Hindi natin mapipigilan yung biological clock mo. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo mapipigilan yung pagtanda ng katawan mo. At you cannot even stop your chronological age. Yung pagtanda mo, hindi mo mapipigilan yan. Alright? Pero wag malungkot. Kasi na-discovered na ang pinaka-latest technology and formulation in the 21st century. Ang tawag po dyan ay stem cells or stem cell therapy that has the power to reverse your biological clock. Wow! Ibig sabihin na nga kapatid, kapag nag-stem cells ka o nag-stem cell therapy, tumatakbo yung chronological age mo. Nagbe-birthday ka taon-taon. Pero yung katawan mo, mabagal ang pagtanda. Kasi ang stem cell has the power to slow down your aging process. So, ibig sabihin, 60 years old ka, nag-stem cell ka, yung katawan mo, 30 years old. Okay ba yon? Siyempre. Okay? Kaya napakalaki mo, umattend ka ng presentation today. Meron na palang paraan para pabagalin yung ating biological aging, yung ating katawan. Tandaan na, ang tawag doon ay stem cell or stem cell therapy. Alright, now, may tatlong klase ng stem cells. Alam ko, excited kayong lahat kung saan kukunin. Tatlo lang po ang pinanggagalingan yan. Human, animal, and plant stem cell. Okay, human stem cell, siyempre, ito yung naging patok ng unang panahon. Alright, nailabas na ito sa mundo like 40 years ago o 50 years ago pa. Pero hindi naging patok sa masa kasi napaka mahal. Magkano? $12,500 to $18,000. That is 1 million pesos per session. Ano ang iba't ibang klase ng stem cell? Meron tayong bone marrow, yung pinakasikat. Meron tayong umbilical stem cells, fat stem cell, blood, fetus, embryonic stem cell, at marami pang iba. Okay? So napakamahal, kaya napanood na natin yan before, yung pinili na video ko kanina, hindi naging patok sa masa agad kasi only for wealthy Filipinos or wealthy people or elite. Mga millionaire lang. So paano naman tayo gusto rin nating sumubok yan at gusto nating maging mahaba ang buhay, bumata at lumakas. Alright? So kaya nga kung mapapasin mo, itong gamit na to, yan sina Erap Estrada, sina Enrile, Albert Martinez, Boy Abonda, sina Leo Marcos, lahat yan ay sumubok na mga tatawag natin na human stem cells. Alright? Ngayon, hindi tumitigil ang siyensya at teknolohiya. Tulad nga na sinabi ko, kung gaano kabilis ang takbo ng buhay ng mga tao today, siya ding bilis ng pagbabago sa siyensya at teknolohiya, lalo na sa aspeto ng pagpapabata, pampahaba ng buhay at pampaganda. Kaya ang ginawa nila, nag-discover sila ng isang klase pa ng stem cell. Yun yung tinatawag natin na stem cell from the animals. Pero, ayon sa mga latest na pag-aaral, yung mga ilang gumamit ng animal stem cells na to, especially in the form of injection, diretso sa cells or the bone marrow, nakita ko sa video sa YouTube, lalong nagkasakit. Then, yung second wave ng formulation ng animal stem cell, ginawa naman nilang capsule. Pero hindi na ganun kalakas kasi nga, may no approved therapeutic claim pa rin. Ngayon, in summary, ang animal stem cell can help the human body to boost, to protect, alright, para palakasin ka. But somehow, mga kapatid, always remember that animal stem cell is isa sa pinakadelikadong stem cell available in the market. Unang-una, foreign body. If it is injected to your system, then baka magbago ang hitsura mo. Delikado. Pero lalakas ka naman. Okay. But until now, mga kapatid, hindi yan nakaregistered. Kaya nga may mga grupo na nagbebenta ng patago, kaya ingat. Okay? So, hindi natin patatagalin dyan. Pumunta na tayo doon sa pinaka-latest formulation. Ito yung ating plant stem cell, organic and naturals mga kapatid. Tinaguri ang pinakamataas na formulation ngayon ng 21st century ng mga biochemists, experts, and scientists. Bakit? Ang good news dito mga kapatid, ibinabalik tayo ng science and technology sa organic world. Tandaan ha, bakit ang plant stem cell ang pinakamalakas? Okay? Kasi, ito, isa-isa, makinig kayong mabuti. Plant or nature is the only creation that will cure the human body. Always remember that. Wala nang iba. Okay? Sample. Gusto mong lumakas, anong kakainin mo? Nature. Diba? Fruits. And always remember this. Nature existed before the human being. They were created on the 4th day. Bago pa tayo na-create sila muna. At ito pa, human cannot survive without the nature. But nature can survive without the human. Tandaan, ulitin ko ha, only the plant or the nature has the power to repair your human system. Always remember that. Ang malupit dito, hindi lang in nutrient level ang ginawa nila, kundi in the stem cells formulation na nasa cellular level na tayo. Yun ang good news doon. Okay? Kaya nga, kaugnay ng sinabi ni Barack Obama, okay, estimated within the next 10 years, 80% of the total population of the world will be tied up to stem cells. Kaya, perfect timing to mga kapatid. Kasi if you're talking about the market potential, engaging to this industry is $1 billion business. If you're talking about to be healthy, it's a perfect time for you to gain back your health in the natural process. At ang malupit, hindi nyo po kailangan maging biochemist scientist para lang gawin ang stem cell evolution na to or stem cell therapy. All you need to do is to attend free orientation and webinar like this and learn more about what is stem cell for yourself, for your family, for your loved ones, and for the other people that you love also. Okay, now, listen carefully. Kasi ibinabalik tayo ng siyensya at teknolohiya sa organic world. Ito, put it in your heart and in your brain. The doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent disease with nutrition, sabi yan ni Thomas Edison. Di ba good news yan? Ibinabalik tayo. Kaya nga, the best doctor gives the least medicine. Alright? Introducing to you, ladies and gentlemen, an amazing product, STC30. Ang STC30 ay isang phenomenal product na became one of the healthcare partner of the human being today, globally. Hindi ito po naka-capsule, hindi naka-tablet, hindi ito naka-liquid o naka-gel. Ito po ay naka-powder. Gamit ang nanotech formulation, pinakapinong paraan na formulation, nanotechnology. Ang tanong, Coach D, bakit naka-powder? Okay, bakit hindi na lang ginawang liquid or tablet or capsule? Kasi ang paraan ng paggamit ay super unique. Sublingual. Proper administration, sublingual, under the tongue. Kasi nandyan yung mga capillaries and veins, okay, which is diretso sa cells and tissues mo in less than 2 minutes. Ina-avoid yung tatawag natin na first fast effect. Bago pa mabasa ng metabolism mo, nasa bloodstream mo na. Okay? Paano gagamitin? An hour before your breakfast. Normally, it works effectively on empty stomach. Ibig sabihin, from the moment you get up from your bed, take that 1 sachet, put it under the tongue, let it melt for like 30 seconds, especially yung bagong product natin. That's it. Okay? Then maghintay ka ng 30 minutes bago ka minom ng tubig, then an hour before any solid foods. That's the way it is. Sabi niya, but not very confident naman itong si Coach D to present what is STC30. Of course, kasi ang STC30 natin ay super amazing. Napakalakas po nito mga kapatid. Kasi ito po ay ginamitan ng 9 bioactive ingredients. Pag sinabi mong bioactive ingredients, ito po ay pinag-aralan ng matindi with clinical studies. Kasi yung ating STC30 po ay bio-nutrition product. Gamit ang bioactive ingredients. Ginamitan po ito ng biotechnology na ang pangalan po ay PhytoCellTech. It is a patented technology na inimbento po ng Mebel Group Biochemistry ng Switzerland para lamang mag-culture ng live stem cells from the fruits or plants. Patented, ibig sabihin mga kapatid, alam nyo na. So yung laboratory lang ng Mebel Group ang meron nito. So wala nang ibang laboratory na pwede mag-imbento, no? Na ipagkaloob na sa kanila yon. It is an award-winning innovation noong 2008 kasi ginawa nila ito ng 2003. Alright? Ngayon, let me introduce to you what are the 9 bioactive ingredients of STC30. Okay? Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung tatlong patented ingredients. Tatlo po yung patented ingredients natin. Let's start with Malus domestica solar vitis. Which is yung tinatawag po natin na PhytoCellTech Malus domestica is a rare Swiss apple stem cell. An award-winning preparation po ito or patented lysosomal preparation of apple stem cells from rare Swiss apple na Malus domestica. Ito po ay nakita tinatawag natin na epigenetic factors in metabolites that ensures the longevity of skin stem cell. Pag it succeeds in delivering revolutionary anti-aging performance for rejuvenation. Pag sinabi niyo pong epigenetic metabolites and factors, epigenetic factors and metabolites, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, yung ni-research ko yan, nung deeper research, ang sabi niyo, bukod doon sa nag-i-ensure ito ng longevity of the skin stem cell, ang sabi doon, dahil nga epigenetic genes, okay, from the moment that sachet touches your sublingual, it matches or it creates or it activates 80% of your stem cell. Kasi nga, liposomal yung preparation po niyan. Ibig sabihin talagang sobrang pino. Ang malapit yan, this apple stem cell actually can combat biological aging, di ba? Reversing your biological clock. Mayroon anti-wrinkle effects yan. Grabe, kaya nga pang pabata. At isa sa hinangaan kong component ng product natin ay yung tinatawag po nating prebiotic, probiotics at antibiotics components ng ating STC30. Okay? Pag sinabi mong prebiotic, yun po yung pinaka-famous compound na meron ng apple stem cell ay yung pectin fiber. Anti-inflammatory yun. Probiotic naman yung good bacteria. At alam nyo ba mga kapatid, that apple stem cell is the highest resources or source of probiotic compound. Ayon sa mga latest sa pag-aaral na ginawa nila sa apple stem cell, it has more than 100 million probiotics compound. Ganon karami yun. That is yung good bacteria. That is lactobacilli from Yakult, yogurt, etc. And antibiotics. At alam nyo ba mga kapatid, ang antibiotics po ng apple stem cell has 11. 11 natural antibiotics po yan. Mataas po ang vitamin A nito, vitamin C, fiber, potassium. So basically, it has the power, okay, to promote cell regeneration, collagen production. It increases the synthesis repair of the damaged cells and cell regeneration rate. Yan po ang power ng apple stem cells na to. Alright, let's talk about the second patented ingredient. This is PhytoCellTech solar vitis. Ito naman po ay rare species or breeds of grapes from Burgundy region of France. Yung kanina apple stem cell from Switzerland, solar vitis from the Burgundy region of France. At hindi lang po ito basta antioxidant. Ito po ay nakitaan ng pinakamataas na uri ng anthocyanin. Pag sinabi mong anthocyanin, more than the vitamin A, C, and E, okay, mataas po ang production at it is rich in collagen for skin elasticity against UV radiation, and it reduces the appearance of sun damage and wrinkles while giving the skin a smoother and firmer effect. Ibig sabihin, anti-aging. Alright? That is second patented ingredient. The third one, another patented ingredient na ginamit po ng ating company ay ang glycidine cantaloupe extract enzyme. Pag sinabi mong enzyme, enzyme of life. from the word SOD. Glycoside is the first orally effective SOD supplement. What is SOD? Superoxide dismutase. Isa patented, pinatent po ito ng P.L. Thomas ng USA. Produced by Isocell of France. Nakapatent din po ito in other countries. Okay? Patented na naman yan na 3 yan. Ano ang trabaho ng glycoside cantaloupe extract or enzyme sa katawan natin? It works in our DNA. Diyan sa immune system. Booster of our immune system. Yan ang trabaho ng enzyme na yan. Yung lahi na meron tayo. Okay, 3 na. And ang malapit dito, para kumapal at lumakas ng mas matindi yung product natin, dinagdagan po nila ng mga powerful extract. At ang malapit, kinuha po nila yung mga extract na yun sa blueberry families. Pag sinabi mong blueberry families, ito po yung pinakamataas na uri ng antioxidants. I-google yan. Kahit i-google nyo ngayon, what are the most powerful antioxidants in the world? At ang ibibigay ng Google sa inyo ay blueberry families. And you're talking about the top 2, si bellberry at saka si blackcurrant. Yan po ang idinagdag nila. Kailangan ng katawan natin yan as a balancer in our body. Because it regulates the blood flow, strengthens the immune system, supports the kidney, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, yung mga nag-i-insulin injection. Mayaman po ito sa vitamin B complex, C, E, B1, B5, B6, and B12. Okay? Meron po itong aging omega. At napakagaling po ng product ito para sa ating musculoskeletal system. We are talking about the bones, tissues, and muscle damage. Okay? Dagdagan pa ng bellberry from the blueberries as well for our liver disorder. Okay? Blood, peripheral tissues, kidney, skin problem, cholesterol, eye disorders, kasi this bellberry has the power to promote, okay, or enhance your optical nerve, vision, to improve your vision, urinary infections. Marami pong ano yan, maraming benefits. 5 na. Itong matindi. Para makompleto yung first segment or series ng nutrition ng ating product, kailangan nilang lagyan ng vitamin C. So alam naman natin that the vitamin C, alright, is the protector ng mga cells natin, ng ating katawan. Okay? Kasi of all the vitamins that our body can reproduce, ang wala ay yung vitamin C. Pero hindi nila kinuha sa orange. Saan po nila kinuha? Sa camu-camu berry. Alright? And what is camu-camu berry? Kapag ginugil mo yan, camu-camu berry is an exotic, rare kind of berry na matatagpuan mo lamang sa Amazon forest. Bakit? Napaka-unique at rare ng species na to ng berry na to. Halos hindi po natin kinakain yan. Bakit? Sobrang asim po. Kasi ang vitamin C po niya, times 60 than the normal vitamin C. Alright? At isa sa hinangaan ko sa compound na meron ito, itatawag natin na compound polyphenol. Pag sinabi mong compound polyphenol, mga kapatid, so alam mo na. That is iba't ibang klase ng antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, okay, that present on this amazing camu-camu berry. May zinc, may magnesium, and calcium. 6 na. Okay? Ngayon, ang matindi, sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi naman tumitigil ang science and technology and even the laboratories natin to research more para ma-enhance at pataasin yung formulation ng ating product. Till such time, after 6 years, it was 2016 and 17, nang nakapag-discover na naman sila ng bagong ingredients na idinagdag sa formulation ng ating STC30, making it 9 bioactive ingredients. That is after 6 years of intensive research and clinical studies, na idagdag nila yung amazing 3. Number 1, ito yung pang-7 ingredient natin, the golden kiwi seed extract. Hindi na bago po ang kiwi in the medical field kasi ginagamit po ito ng ancient China and other countries, okay, for anti-arthritic at saka anti-hemorrhoidal. Ibig sabihin yung bleeding, ginagamit ito million years ago. Pero hindi ito yung kiwi na kinakain natin, na kasing kinakain po natin, yung po ay kulay green. Ito po ay golden kiwi that you can actually find this breed of kiwi in New Zealand. Ang matindi po nito, it prevents our DNA Okay, yung mga blood platelet natin and oxidation. Yan ang power po ng ating kiwi. Okay, pangwalo. Amazing din po itong dinagdag nila na prickly pear cactus. Pag sinabi mo ng prickly pear cactus, bukod sa loaded with antioxidants, omega fatty acids, and vitamin E, which is good for the skin, cell regeneration, meron po itong antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Ano pa? Isa sa hinangaan ko dito sa lakas ng cactus na to, prickly pear cactus compound na meron ito, ay yung tinatawag natin na it helps to prevent our liver injury caused by chronic alcohol consumption. O para sa mga nag-iinom, o ito na ang panlaban mga kapatid. Okay? Si prickly pear cactus. Hindi po yung tangkaya, kundi yung bunga, yung kulay pula. Yung po yun, doon kinuha yun ha. Pangwalo na. Pangsyam, amazing rare species of breeds of berry na naman. Ang tawag dito ay sea buckthorn. Ito po ay matatagpuan normally in Northern America. May mataas na uri po ng antioxidant. Okay? Meron po itong restorative power for that protects our skin, our body, and cells. Okay? From this harmful radiation, solar or X-ray. At saka it rebuilds the cells. Okay? Matindi po itong ating sea buckthorn. So all in all mga kapatid, our STC30 has 9 bioactive ingredients now. Okay, now, let's summarize everything. Okay, as a last part of my presentation, let me tell you how STC30 works on our body. Okay, how is STC30? Ano ba yung mga holistic approach to our body ng STC30? Okay, tandaan that STC30 after the formulation, it is actually works as a functional supplements to our body. Kulang yung mga nutrition from A to Z. But our STC30 can provide most of them. It is also works as a stem cell enhancer, stem cell activator as well. Alright? So yun yung ginagawa ng ating STC30. Holistic po ha. Ngayon, dahil holistic, i-summarize natin, okay, yung buong components ng ingredient ng STC30. Okay, yung iba't ibang categories. Bioactive ingredients. Number 1, pag-usapan natin yung tinatawag po natin na compound polyphenols. Ano ba ang trabaho ng compound polyphenols? Ang polyphenols mga kapatid are reducing agents and together with the other dietary agents like vitamin C or vitamin E and carotenoids. Pag sinabi mo kasing polyphenols, it protects the body's tissues against oxidative stress associated with pathogens and anti-cancers, coronary and heart disease and inflammatory. Yan ang trabaho ng polyphenols. The other ingredient na meron po ang STC30 ay yung tinatawag po natin na pectin fiber. Bigyan ko lang ng konting emphasis. What is pectin fiber? Ang pectin fiber po, it binds the substance in the intestine and acid back to the stool natin. Kaya nga ito po yung ating pang-detox. It might also reduce how much cholesterol to the body absorbed from the foods. Alright? Ginagamit ng mga tao ang pectin for high cholesterol, pre-diabetics, heartburn, diarrhea, and many other conditions. Alright? So, yan po ang trabaho ng pectin fiber. Let's talk about anthocyanidin. Ano ang trabaho ng anthocyanidin sa ating katawan? It possesses anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-obesity. Okay? It prevents us from any cardiovascular disorders. Let's talk about polysaccharides na meron po ang STC30. Ang polysaccharides, okay, are abundant natural polymers found in plants, animals, and microorganisms with exceptional properties and essential roles to sustain life. They are well known for their high nutritive value and the positive effects on our immune system, digestive function, and detoxification system. Yan ang trabaho ng polysaccharides. Let's talk about alkaloids. Ano ang trabaho ng alkaloids sa ating katawan? It is directly act on the central nervous system in the human body. And it also affect our nucleic acid. Yung tinatawag natin na DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA, yung ribonucleic acid. Okay? Yan po ang trabaho ng alkaloids. let's talk about carbohydrates or carbs. Ano ang trabaho ng carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are sugar molecules along with the protein and fats. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 main nutrients found in foods and drinks. Your body breaks down carbs into glucose. Glucose or blood sugar is the main source of energy in our body, cells, tissues, and organs. Alright? Saponins. Alam ko lahat to bago. At least kahit paano mag-feel ko kayo ngayon na mahalagang information na meron ang ating product. Ano ang trabaho ng saponins in our body? Okay, makinig mabuti ha. Saponins, it decreases the blood lipids, lower cancer risk, and lower our blood glucose response. Yan ang trabaho ng saponins. Meron din po itong phenols or phenolics. Pag sinabi mong phenolics, very powerful na compound ng ating product which is good for our human health due to their potential antioxidants and avert the damage of cells resulted from free radical oxidation reaction. Terpenoids. Okay? Terpenoids, ano ang trabaho ng terpenoids? Terpenoids have been found to be useful in the prevention and therapy of several diseases, including cancer, okay, antimicrobial, antifungal, antiparasite, antiviral, anti-allergic, and anti-spasmodic, anti-allergy, anti-hyperglycemic, anti-inflammatory, lahat ng anti. Alright? Properties yan ang trabaho niyan. Yung mga anti-anti yan po ang trabaho ng terpenoids. Flavonoids. Ano ang trabaho ng flavonoids sa ating katawan? Flavonoids possesses a number of medicinal benefits including anti-cancer, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. And of course, tannins is also found in our Stevia 30. Tannins have also been reported to exert other physiological effects such as to accelerate blood clotting, reduce blood pressure, decrease the serum lipid level, and produce liver necrosis and modulate immunoresponses of our body. That is the most important compounds na matatagpuan mo sa ating Stevia 30. Okay, now, let's talk about holistic approach. Dahil sa dami ng bioactive ingredients na meron ng ating Stevia 30, ano ang tama? Ano ang magiging epekto sa katawan mo? Yung approach, holistic approach. Ito po mga kapatid, yung pride ng ating company. Because the Stevia 30 has the power to repair damaged cells. It has the power to restore sick cells. It has the power to replace dead cells. It has the power to regenerate new cells. It has the power to replicate good cells. And it has the power to rejuvenate aged cells. Grabe yan. Because of the so much compound present in our Stevia 30. At hindi lang yan. Let's talk about the extended benefits of our Stevia 30 because it helps you to promote vitality, it boosts immunity, cleanses the blood, and detoxify our body. Wow! Yan na talaga. Grabe. Kaya yung product po natin mga kapatid ay hindi po basta-basta. Kaya nga I'm emphasizing the holistic approach and benefits of our Stevia 30. Okay? Now, isa sa hinangaan ko sa sistema ng company, our product is actually certified globally. Bago nag-market ang company natin ng ating product, inuna po nilang ayusin yung mga certification. Okay? Para hindi tayo pakalat-kalat in the market na nangahype ng tao. Hindi. Ang approach po natin ay holistic. If you're talking about global certification, from the trademark of Superlife, meron po tayong ISO certification, international standard dyan. AGL license in Malaysia, Direct Selling Association in Malaysia. Dito sa Dubai, member din po tayo ng Direct Selling Association in UAE. Meron po tayong mga SGS and clinical and scientific studies. The Apple Stem Cell itself has 471 clinical studies. Good manufacturing certification, yung GMP, 100% halal certified. MSIG Product Liability Insurance. Ito yung isa sa pride po ng ating product. Imagine, yung ating Stevia 30 ay back up with 1 million ringgit product liability insurance. That is equivalent to almost 15 million pesos. Ibig sabihin, when you started using Station 30 at may nangyari sa'yo, sa halip na gumaling or lumakas ka, natodas ka because of Station 30, your family and beneficiary will receive 1 million ringgit. It's like 15 million pesos. And for the last 10 years, wala pong nakapag-claim nun. Kasi every single person na gumamit ng Station 30 has their own personal good testimony. And be proud of that. Amazing, right? Not only that, if you're talking about FDA certification, we have all of them. FDA, our license to operate in our product registration certificate. We have US FDA, we have FDA in France and Germany, at yung pinakamataas na certification of the healthcare industry in Africa, meron po tayo nasa website yan, NAFDAC. Alright? Sa UAE, of course, Montaje Group tayo certified, Ministry of Health. Okay? Pagdating sa award, maa-amaze din po kayo sa achievement ng Super Life kasi nakuha na natin ang Scar for Business, ASEAN Masterclass, Quality Choice Awards in Germany, and even the Brand Laureate of the Decade. For the last 10 years, ladies and gentlemen, Super Life holds the Super Brand. Wow! Grabe, ano? Kaya hindi po basta yung ating company. Okay? So now, last part of my presentation, let's talk about the benefits. Yung mga instant effect in your body when you started using Station 30. Ano nga ba ang nagagawa agad? Yung instant. Okay? Number 1, hindi ka mabilis magutom. Tandaan na, yung tamang dosage ha, 1 hour before your breakfast, it works effectively on empty stomach. Bakit hindi ka mabilis magutom? Kasi it provides you that amazing functional supplementation. So hindi ka matitempt na kumain ng mga junk foods, mga processed foods. Hindi ka matitempt. Kasi especially sa mga taong nagmamadali at wala nang prepare, hindi ka mabilis magutom. Secondly, instant din po ito. It gives you an instant energy. Why? Because of the metabolized and epigenetic factors that activates your 80% stem cell in your body. Incredible strength for the whole day. Hindi ka mabilis mapagod. Patatlo, detoxification agad. Tandaan yung mga compounds na sinabi ko na, yung pectin fiber and etc. It fights constipation. Tinatanggal agad yung mga toxins na nandyan sa colon mo. Lalo na sa mga taong hindi dumudumi ng 3 times a day. Our product is actually amazing on that. Pampabata, ito yon. You don't have to spend millions para magpatulok sa bone marrow. Hindi na ito natural process. What else? It balances the pH level of your body, lalo na sa mga acidic. O ito na ang pagkakataon. Kahit hindi ka na bumili ng Kangen water machine to alkalize your body, ito na. Okay? What else? It lowers the blood cholesterol, works on allergies, goiter, Ricky sa mga problema sa buto, problema sa dugo, anemia, anemic, leukemia, or even hormonal imbalances. At siyempre, one of my favorite, it reduces the stress. It serves as a DNA therapy. Tandaan nyo, because we have enzyme that comes down the entire system. At least kahit paano mga kapatid, ma-avoid natin yung brain aneurysm. No, yung pamamaga ng ating mga brain cells and neurons. Alright? It's also good for ulcer, colon cancer, liver disorder, or fat liver disease, gout, or uric acid. Tandaan, kapag kayo po ay may uric acid, hindi lamang po yan ang sakit nyo. Kasi ang uric acid is the fluid excreted from our kidney. Dahil tumaas ang purines mo, yung tinatawag natin na creatinine. So ibig sabihin may damage yung kidney kaya nagkakagout ka. Kaya huwag kang maging confident, may gout ka, simpleng sakit. Hindi po, may tama yung kidney at saka liver mo. Ang resulta, uric acid, gout yan. Okay, tandaan na, baka may kakilala mga gout, maraming problema doon sa loob. Alright? Sunod, rheumatoid arthritis, konektado po yan. Kapag may damage yung loob, so labas yan sa mga kamay at saka sa mga buto-buto. Alright, eczema, skin problem, melasma, imagine natin, sa ano natin to, sa leader natin dito, dyan sa Zoom. Tingnan niyo yung pangalan dyan, Merly Bumagat. Yan, siya yan. Natanggal ang kanyang mga melasma dahil sa natural collagen production ng ating Station 30. Infertility, may mga kakilala ba kayo na matagal nang hindi nagkakaanak? Malaki po ang maitutulong ng ating Station 30, alright, to promote and enhance and repair some of the reproductive system issues and disorders, testosterone and estrogen production. Alright? Ibig sabihin mga kapatid, if you're talking about the all-in-all or multi-effect of our STC-30, it works everything in every cardiovascular system disorders. Name it. Respiratory or lungs problem, gastrointestinal system, brain and nervous system, musculoskeletal system, buto, tissues and muscles, and even blood sugar control. Ang galing po ng product natin dyan. Alright? Kasi it helps to digest and metabolize the carbohydrates and sugar in our system. Lalo sa mga nag-i-insulin, yung mga nagtuturok. Yan. What else? Cancer prevention and management. Prevention, kami pong mga nasa Super Life, hindi na po kami natatakot na magkaroon ng cancer kasi we are preventing it right away. Hindi na namin binibigyan ng chance yung mga cancer cells na ma-activate pa kasi it balances our system. Sa mga may cancer naman, this is good news for you kasi you can fight fairly that cancer condition. Malaki po ang naitutulong lalo po sa may mga colorectal cancer, breast cancer, liver and colon cancer. Ang galing po ng ating STC-30 dyan. At pag-uusapan natin yung dosaging. What else? Hormonal imbalances, lalo na sa mga kababaihan, yung excess and deficiency in the hormones. Baka hindi nyo pa naiintindihan po yung cycle ng tinatawag nating hormonal imbalance at saan ang punta. Yan po yung tinatawag natin na gynecological disorders. Mag-uumpisa po yan sa vaginal infection. Alright? Ibig sabihin, may kaunting pangangati, amoy, and then magkakaroon na po kayo ng PMS. Ibig sabihin ng premenstrual syndrome. Magkakrams na before the regla, then magkakaroon na kayo ng maliit na bukol, fibroids po ang tawag doon, pag lumaki na magiging cyst na, then ang resulta niyan, magkakaroon na po kayo ng PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, then magkakaroon na ng bleeding, re-reglahin kayo ng 6 months, dire-diretso, or 1 month, dire-diretso, and then after that, wala na, hindi na kayo re-reglahin. That is hormonal imbalance. Ito, I'm talking about this. Okay, lalo sa mga kababaihan, napakarami po na may ganyan dito sa Dubai. Eh kasi ang tatakaw kumain ng mga chicheria. Okay, french fries. Ano pa? Instant noodles. Yung mga fried. Mga chicken. Di ba? Madami. Ano? Yan, pag pinabayaan niyo yan, so alam niya kung saan mapupunta, ovarian and cervical cancer. Hindi pa naman immediately mapupunta doon. But doon ang punta noon. Sa mga kalalakihan, good news para sa atin. Alam niyo ba mga kapatid, na-discovered ko na mataas po ang ratio ngayon na may mga tinatawag natin na ED, yung mga kalalakihan. Kasi yung ED, yung po yung mga erectile dysfunction. Because of the reproductive system o yung testosterone production ng mga kalalakihan, wala na talaga. Kaya ang resulta, erectile dysfunction, ED. And it can be treated nowadays. Gamit po ang ating STC-30. So basically, kapag sinabi mong STC-30 is for the gentleman, okay? Parang natural Viagra. Alright? Ganun po kaganda yon. So, ibig sabihin, sa mga diabetic, sa mga maraming iniinom ng mga gamot, at kayo po ay nahihirapan ng patayuin, okay, sorry sa mga dalagang audience natin. Okay, eto po ang solusyon. Proven po yan. I myself will testify on that. Kasi sabi ganun no? Alright? So, next. So, ibig sabihin yung ating STC-30 has the power to cure and control over 135 diseases. We're talking about stroke, acne, amnesia, anemia, osteoarthritis, baldness. Baldness yung alopecia areata, yung paglalagas ng buhok at iba't ibang klase ng cancers. Everything, name it. Name it. Ibig sabihin, any disease that you can think of, STC-30 has the power to repair that, to recover that. Okay? So, to end up my presentation, let me show you some testimonies. Okay, magpe-play ako ng mga testimonies ng mga gumamit na ng STC-30 para man makita nyo kung totoo talaga ang STC-30 before trying it yourself. Okay? Unang-unang video na i-play ko po sa inyo, ito po ay candidate, isa sa user natin sa Pilipinas, and thanks to the owner of this video, isa sa from the Team Elite ng Mindoro. Ito pong si Madam ay candidate na for dialysis. Dialysis, ibig sabihin may tama ng kanyang kidney. And then, pakinggan natin ang kanyang personal testimony kung paano siya natulungan ng STC-30.
I was diabetic since 20 years ago. Candidate na po ako for dialysis. Laging mataas ang BP, mahina ang katawan, at yan, nagpapalpitate po ang heart ko. Mahirap po ako huminga. Git sa lahat, malabo po ang mata. Sobra po ang dinadanas kong hirap. Nagkataon naman po si Madam Bigbig, since 10 years ago, lagi na kaming magkasama kung meron kaming magandang produkto. Para maibsan lang po yung nararamdaman, magtitake. That time, December 2020, pumunta sa bahay, may talang dalawang sachet. Yung dalawang sachet na yun, iniwan sa bahay. I-take ko raw. Since wala na akong tiwala dahil di man ako gumagaling, nandun pa rin. Mataas pa rin ang sugar. High blood pa rin. Mahina ang katawan. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Pero dahil sa pakiusap niya na, i-take mo. Yung nga po yung testimony, yung coach natin sa HIV nga, gumaling, ikaw pa, sabi. So, trinay ko. After nung dalawang sachet, lumiwanag yung mata ko, tapos lumakas ang katawan ko. Higit doon, nakalakad po ako kasi mahina talaga ako nung bagsak ako. Since then, dire-diretso ako nag-take. Nag-member muna po ako ng 2 box. Pumili ako. Ininom ko ng 1 buwan.
Yung candidate for diabetes, pharmacist.
Sa tatay ko po, bali, dalawa po kasi hindi sa tatay ko tsaka sa asawa ko. Bali, sa tatay ko po, operado na siya ng isang kidney. Katanggalan siya ng isang kidney. So, totally, ang taong may depression sa kidney, bumababa ang red blood cell. So, anemic siya. Lagi siyang may pasa, yung masanggilang siya. Nalalaki ng pasa niya dito. Tapos nung nag-take siya ng mga 1 box, napansin niya na nawawala yung pasa niya. Tapos gumanda yung balat niya. Tapos yung dati nagtutungkod siya, ngayon, hindi na. Ay yabang-yabang na niya maglakad. Tapos ang pakiramdam niya is, para siyang bumata, ang pakiramdam, ang lakas niya, yung maglalakad siya palabas, dati magpapasundo pa sa tricycle. Ngayon, doon sa labasan sa amin, sasakay siya ng tricycle, nakakapaglakad na po siya. Pati yung pagsamba niya mula iglesia hanggang sa aming butika, nalalakad na po niya yun. Dati, hindi po siya makapaglakad na ganun kahaba. Tapos yung balat niya, yun yung pinakakuan yung pinakang ikinuha niya lagi na nagpapasa, tapos hindi niya minsan nakikita kung kuwan ang lapad-lapad na. Yun po yung nawala. Sadyang nawala siya.
Amazing ba? Amazing, di ba? So next. So let's talk about ito pa. Okay? So ito ay pakinggan natin yung nagawa ng STC30 sa kanya.
Kasama ko po si Coach Mabel. Siya po ay natulungan sa kanyang sakit na spinal cord po.
Degenerative disc disease.
Yan po. Paano pong ginawa mo ating pag-inom na STC30?
Yeah, okay. Nag-diagnose ako ng degenerative disc disease na supposed to be for operation ng spinal cord ko. And my doctor advised me to undergo operation para lagyan siya ng screw para hindi na siya parang i-fix. So, ang ginawa ko since takot ako sa operation, naghanap ako ng ibang means. Nabutan ako ng pandemic and then hindi ako nakapunta sa hospital. Dumating ako sa point na hindi ko na maiangat yung balakang ko. And every time na mag-move ako, kailangan ko talagang pasay. Tapos naka-aray ako. August 2021, may na-meet akong tao na nagpakilala sa akin ng STC30. I took it twice a day. Sa dating na wala yung pain, pero tuloy-tuloy ko. And then I go back to my doctor. I asked him kung kailangan ko pa ng surgery. My doctor told me no need for operation.
Grabe, ano? Okay, what about this? Cancer.
I was diagnosed with cancer. And I was privileged to meet this lady on Facebook, Barbara, who introduced me to the STC30. STC30 stem cell therapy. And she told me about this STC, and I said, no, maybe I must try it and see how it is going to help me. And I had a chat with Barbara, and she told me what the STC30 does, and I ordered the STC30. I tried it. So she sent it to me, roughly, I think I could say maybe end of March. I started taking the STC30, so meaning 1 sachet per day. And 1 sachet a day, it made a difference in my life. Because when you're diagnosed with cancer, you do not know, or you're not certain of what these cancer cells does. So I am just pleased to show you this STC30. STC30. This is the product, STC30. I tried this STC30 product almost for a month. And I was amazed when I went to my doctor and I did the test or the scan to see where the cancer has been or where the cancer has been up to. And I was so glad when my doctor told me that, okay, the scans that I did, they show such a positive outcome, meaning that, okay, it was in my liver and in my lungs, so there were spots which they were always,
So, amazing testimony. Cancer yan ha. Cancer yan mga kapatid. Next one. Pakinggan din natin to. Kabayan din natin to.
Good evening po. Nandito po kami ngayon sa bahay ni Kuya Derek. Isa pong patotoo na naman sa ating pong produkto. Stem cell therapy, plant-based, STC30. Ano po pangalan po nila?
Derek.
Si Kuya Derek. Ano po ang naging kondisyon po nila, Kuya Derek?
Marami akong kondisyon. Unang-una, yung aking idinadaing itong sabay-sabay naman sila eh. Yung aking meron akong esophageal varices, ang cause nito yung liver cirrhosis. So, hindi ko maipagamot sa doktor dahil medyo unang-una pandemic. Marami kang babayaran, isaswab ka pa. Tapos yung solusyon nilang ibibigay sa akin ay hindi naman yung cost talaga kanilang gagamutin pa eh. Kundi yung effect, kundi itong varices. So, masama lagi ang gising ko, stress ako, hilong-hilong ako, dumudugo yung lalamunan ko, non-stop yun. At kung ano-ano pa.
Ganong katagal na po ninyo nakaramdaman yung kondisyon na
Ay, matagal na ito. Dahil ito'y bago pa mag-pandemic last year. Hindi nagsimula na mag-bleed. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ito nang gagaling. Until aking pinasili at di na-confirm na may liver cirrhosis ako.
May tinitake po kayong gamot?
May mga walang binibigay yung doktor eh. Ang gusto ng doktor, unahin muna yung kwan eh. Yung aking mga ugat daw dito, kaya kailangang talian. So, naghanap ako ng ibang, nag-try ako maghanap ng ibang tawag dito, gastroenterologist, para sabihin sa, kung gising ko na baka po pwede na akong dumaan doon sa endoscopy, dakutin na namin ang direkta yung aking liver cirrhosis, kung may test man, ano, ay, pero wala silang binibigay na gano'n eh. So, nagtatry ako ng mga halimbawa, yung mga, yung mega dose, ano, bibilhin ko na yun, pero na-stop ko nga.
Pero nung mag-take po tayo ng ating product, ano po ang una ninyong naramdaman?
Aba, talagang iba. Sumigla yung una-una, sumigla yung katawan ko, nawala agad yung stress ko ha. Kasi yung stress yun talagang nagpapahirap din sa akin eh. Yung stress na yun, lumuwag ang aking payos, gumaan ang aking, basta gumaan siya. Naging masigla ako, naging hopeful ako. Nagkameron ng positive na dynamic sa aking Hindi kagaya araw-araw, pag gising mo, alam mo na ang mangyayari maghapon.
Ilang beses po kayo nagte-take?
Isang beses lang.
Ilang araw na po kayo nagte-take?
Palima lang.
Pero
pati yung aking mga kate-kate na yun nga sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina, nawala yun at yung vertigo ko na napakalupit na vertigo ko. Para ako naglalakad sa lubid, ha?
Alright, so yan mga kapatid, ilan lamang sa mga testimonies natin. And we have so much of that. Okay, hindi ko na i-play yan isa-isa at para makaproceed tayo sa ating Q&A. Ito po ay ito din, isa sa teenager natin po ito na nagsuffer sa CKD. Yung CKD na sakit, ibig sabihin chronic kidney disease, 17 years old po ito. Imagine 9 months in Davao Hospital and the doctor can't even find the medicine for that. Till such time, April 1, anak po ito ng isang nurse dito sa Dubai, si Ma'am Grace. So naka-attend siya ng presentation sa office. Then April 2, pinadala namin ng product. Nakarating doon siguro ay parang after 3 days, something like that, or 4 days sa Davao kasi from Manila. Then after 1 week, nakalabas na po siya. Actually, nag-celebrate ang 18th birthday. At yung short video, ito pakinggan natin for the last time. Para sa benefits sa may mga chronic kidney disease. This video actually will give hope to every one of you.
Everyone, my name is Chelsea C. Umpad and I'm 18 years old. I currently living here in Don Carlos, Bukidnon, and I have a lovable family. When I was 17, I was diagnosed with glomerulonephritis. If everyone doesn't know what is glomerulonephritis, it is a disease that your protein in your body will go out to your urine. My filter in my kidney are damaged. They have what they call gas. I don't know what's the English of that thing. So it is also known a chronic kidney disease. A disease that can't be cured because the doctor doesn't find a medicine for that. So you just need to change.
Alright, so yan mga kapatid, ay isang patotoo na naman. Marami. So much for that. At thank you so much mga kapatid. And before ending up my presentation, so after this ay meron tayong Q&A. So anything you can ask po, especially sa may mga kakilala nyo or may mga someone is suffering with chronic condition. This time, let's say no to amputation. Let's say no radiotherapy. Let's say no to chemotherapy. Let's say no to lifetime medication. Let's say no to insulin injection. And let's say no to kidney dialysis. Let's say yes to life-saving product na ang pangalan ay STC-30. Thank you so much. Kosti mo muli.
Thank you so much po, Chairman. Okay, ayan. So grabe ang knowledge natin na ano natin ngayon sa isip natin, no? We add on more and experience as